Child support issues can get stressful fast. You may be trying to get an order in place for the first time. You may need to change an order that no longer fits your situation, or you may already have an order but payments are not being made. In Alabama, those situations usually fall into three categories: establishing support, modifying support, or enforcing an existing order. I'm Kim Clenney. My law partner, Deborah Palmer, and I have helped families understand what child support laws may mean for their situation. In this video, I want to walk through how child support works in Alabama and explain the difference between establishing, modifying, and enforcing an order. So let's start with establishing child support. Establishing child support means getting a legal order in place. In Alabama, that can include child support, medical support, and in some cases, retroactive support. The court uses Alabama's child support guidelines under Rule 32 to calculate support rather than choosing a number at random. Guidelines are based on both parents' monthly gross income, along with factors like daycare expenses, health insurance costs, and support already been paid for other children. Some parents assume child support is one fixed number across the board, but it's not. The amount depends on the facts of the case. That is why two families can end up with very different support orders. Getting an order in place creates structure. It gives both parents a clear legal starting point and sets expectations moving forward. Now I want to talk about modification. A child support order isn't always permanent. Life changes, income changes, a child's needs can change too. Alabama DHR says the review and adjustment process is used to determine whether the support amount still follows the guidelines and whether medical support should be added or changed. DHR generally reviews orders once every 36 months unless there has been a significant change, such as a financial windfall or a severe medical crisis. The request must be made in writing and explain why the order should be changed. This matters because a lot of parents keep living under an order that no longer matches reality. One parent may be earning far less than before. Expenses may have gone up. The family's circumstances may look very different than when the order was first entered. When that happens, modification may need to be a part of the conversation. Next is enforcement. When an order already exists, but payments are not being made, Alabama has enforcement tools that may help collect what is owed. DHR says enforcement includes action to support child support, spousal support, and medical support. One of the quickest and most effective remedies is income withholding, which directs an employer to deduct support from wages. DHR also lists other tools, including credit reporting for arrears over $1,000, tax refund offsets in qualifying cases, passport denial for certain arrears over $2,500, liens and levies through financial institution matches, and possible license suspension or revocation. Missed child support payments can create pressure fast. Housing, food, school expenses, and child care do not stop because support stopped. Knowing whether your case calls for a first-time order, a change to an existing order, or an enforcement action can make a big difference in what you do next. It helps to know that medical support can be part of the picture. In Alabama, order establishment can include medical support, and review can also look at whether medical support should be added or adjusted. You don't have to sort through all of this on your own. For over 25 years, my law partner, Deborah Palmer, and I have helped clients in Montgomery work through child support issues with a better understanding of what the law allows. Our free child support consultation is designed to review your situation and goals, explain child support laws, and outline practical next steps. Whether you need to establish support, change an existing order, or respond to missed payments, the first step is understanding what applies to your case. Alabama law provides a path for each of these situations, but the facts matter. Book a free child support consultation to talk through your situation and find out what next steps make sense from here. Click the link in the description to get started.